Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you will like this video and decide to become a subscriber. I hope that if you do like the video, you'll give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. You can share it on any one of your social media. All right, so let's jump into what you will need for this first DIY. You will need decoupage, and I'm so excited because usually I create the Mod Podge with a mixture of water to get the decoupage glue. This time I found it at Michael's and I was excited, so I went ahead and hauled that. You will need your paintbrush. I'm going with the sponge this time, but you guys know I love using the regular paintbrush, but I don't have any on hand. I have the sponge, so that's what I'm going with. You will need napkin of your choice, and I'm going with the one with the turkey because of course this is going to be a Thanksgiving theme. All right, you will need your clear plate from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a pen, scissors, see if this has 3 layers or does it only have 2. They often come with 3 layers. If it's the really good napkins, they come with 3 layers. If not, if it's the Dollar Tree napkin, it may only have 2 layers. This one has 3 layers. So you want to make sure you remove the layers. It is important, or else you will have way too much tissue to decoupage with. The thinner the paper, the better it will be for your decoupage. So always check to make sure how many layers are there. Is it 3 or 2? Sometimes it is not easy to find, but you want to spend that time investigating that to make sure that it is only a single sheet. So now we've gotten to the core of the tissue. We can dispose of these. I want to save these scrap pieces because I don't know what I may need to fill in. So I'm just going to put those to the side. So guys, here we are, and I want to share. This is the excess, and we're just going to cut that away. Then go back over it with your decoupage. Now, there will be little parts on the end that was not fully covered. So what you want to do, this is the reason why I saved these odd ends that was cut off. I'm just going to go ahead and patch it. Remember to remove your excess tissue paper. Add some Mod Podge. And just fill it in. This next DIY is going to be a wine glass. And I am going to use the same napkin, just cut out the turkey. So I went ahead, cut out the turkey. And now we want to do the same process by removing the back. Remember, there's 3 layers and we want to dispose of them. I already removed one, and now this is going to be even thinner, so it'll take you a little bit more time. So now I've removed the back, it's very thin, and now we're going to apply the decoupage just as we did with the plate. Now you may ask, how will one be able to use the glass? The turkey will be on one side and you can drink from the other side. So now I'm going to do your dessert plate or a salad plate, whatever you want to use it for. And so now I'm going to do the same process. What I need is one of these napkins, and I haul this cute turkey napkin from I also took one of the napkin and somewhat cut the turkey slanted where his legs are missing, but in order for it to fit onto my glass, I had to do that. So this glass I shared with you guys that I created when I did the Dollar Tree tablescape, and I went ahead and add a rope to it and just tied a bow. Well, I've used it and washed it since, and I think it's still in great condition even though it's been washed twice. I think that is very good. And it's really nice to be able to test it out and see that it is functional and beautiful. So I want to go ahead and decoupage the same glass, and if you had not seen that video that I when I created it, I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. This next DIY is going to be a fall wreath. You will need a hoop. You can get that from Michael's. You can get it from Walmart, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby. You will need the Dollar Tree burlap leaves. I'm assuming about 4 of them. 4 bags I purchased 4 bags. You'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You will need your scissors, or you can use your wire cutter as well to remove the wires from the leaves. But I used my scissors. It was strong enough. I think it'll be perfectly fine. I am finished with it. And this is the way it looked. I think it's adorable. Very simple, but adorable. And I believe I want to add some of these wheat. I have these wheat left over, and I want to incorporate them into this. So I'm going to add a generous amount of glue and add it onto this. DIY is going to be an inspiration from Pinterest, and I saw this DIY and just knew right away this is something I wanted to recreate. Now I'm going to use a can that my husband saved for me. He usually saves all his peanut can. I did a few DIYs. I will link down below the one that I did, and I don't know if you've been with me a while, you may remember it. I will link it down below. This is going to be one of those DIYs. You will need a can of your choice. It's up to you, whatever can you want. You'll need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and you will need the Dollar Tree clothespins. You can haul them from Walmart as well, or the Dollar Tree. It was just easier for me to get them from the Dollar Tree because I was already there. I want to say they might be 98 cents at Walmart. It's up to you, wherever you want to get it. So I'm assuming I will need 2 packs of it. Let's jump into this DIY. Okay guys, so this is how the entree plate turned out. Absolutely love it. And I must share with you, I went ahead and spray painted the back gold. So this is how the back look. Oftentimes when I do a decoupage, I do like to go ahead and spray paint it. It does give a reflection in the glass as well. And this is the other. Now I would go a step further and possibly decoupage a silver or a red in the background and spray paint it as well. I didn't go to that step, but you can if you wanted to. This is the turkey that goes along with the plate. And I must tell you, I absolutely love, love, love these clothespin little containers. They are cylinders. And I love the way that that turned out. A little rustic, but perfect for the end of fall. Well, as I mentioned before, guys, I wanted to do a series of these fall Thanksgiving plates for your tablescape. If you like them, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. I appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. I will see you on my next DIY.